Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy the link of a slide in the Google Slides app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Slides app. Here it opens up like this. From here we just have to select the project, the presentation that we want to work on, and then tap on the three dots next to its name like this, then tap on copy link. Now the link is copied to the clipboard, and if we go into a conversation we can just paste it and send it to the person that we want to share the presentation with. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.